Om Namah Shivaya. Hello everyone, this is my first YouTube video and I'll be speaking both in Hindi and English and will be explaining you few of the chart patterns, price section, strategies and different methodologies within this your own YouTube channel Price Section with Aman. So यहाँ मैं आपको अपने कुछ ओपन पोजीशंस दिखा रहा हूँ। ये मेरा बैंक निफ्टी का पोजीशन था जो मैंने सुबह ही मार्केट खुलने के विद इन 2 minutes you can see the time here 9:17 I booked the profit in just 2 units. In two lots, I booked approximately 12,000 rupees, and one of my position in crude is ongoing. Just two lots. It's in little loss as of now. So I'm going to tell you how I took this trade yesterday, while people were not sure and people were talking about the Fed meeting in US and etc. But how did I take this trade? So we can just go to the chart. So let's look at the chart first. What's happening here? ये बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट अगर आप देखेंगे तो you'll be able to understand that. Just a minute. So this chart is basically self-explanatory, I would say. In the chart you see there is a it's sort of triple top formation, I would say. So price got rejected here, price got rejected once, then twice, then thrice. Let me just grab this thing here. Okay, perfect. So this was the first rejection, sort of second, third and fourth rejection. But why did I take this trade? Because there was strong rejections also. This is rejection candle actually. I took the trade approximately. I think I took trade at this region. This region. So when market was going a little down yesterday, but there was not much of momentum. If you see here, there is not much of momentum. इस रीजन में मोमेंटम ना होने की वजह से it almost ate most of the premium. But when I saw this rejection candle forming, so this is the candle price rejection. फिर यहाँ पे मैंने इस एरिया में कहीं पे यहाँ पे इस कैंडल के इस एरिया में मैंने ट्रेड लिया था. And then market went up. I think so. I took approximately 380 rupees, 380 or 385 rupees. इतने पे मैंने ये ऑप्शंस लिया था. 35,300 कॉल लिया था and then price went up here. But since this was a rejection point, market again retraced here. So at this point of time, my call was yesterday at approximately 320 or 340 rupees, approximately in this area. And I was expecting, so I don't usually follow any news or reports or annual quarterly reports etc. So I usually don't follow. I just follow the price action what is showing on the chart. तो कल मुझे ये था कि अगर ये रीजन जो था ये एक अच्छा सपोर्ट था. ये अगर सपोर्ट था क्योंकि यहाँ से एक बड़ा if you extend this further, so let us say let us extend this thing or तो अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे एक ये जो है आई विल बी टीचिंग यू हाउ दिस. सो दिस विक्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. विक्स आर द क्रक्स. ये जो सुई बनती है कैंडल के बॉटम पे, इसकी अपने आप में एक स्टोरी है. एवरी वीक हैज अ स्टोरी टू टेल. So because of this week you see there is a strong resistant points are formed here and this is then support formed here and price went up. तो ये जो रीजन था बेसिकली यहाँ पे, ये रीजन से यहाँ प्राइस ऊपर उठा कल. बट आई वाज स्टिल श्योर बिकॉज द प्राइस वाज नाउ स्ट्रक इन बिटवीन support and resistance. So what was the support? So this was the support area. Okay, so I could easily take off I could offload my position, but then because I was so sure about the price action, I carried this position overnight despite that so-called crucial meeting people were talking about in US. So this was the you know this was the basically a narrow region where the price was basically you know moving for the last 1 plus hour yesterday, and I was not sure of so much of gap down like this, but I thought price might open somewhere close here. यहाँ पे कहीं पे ओपनिंग हो सकता है. Let me make it. So यहाँ पे ओपनिंग एक्सपेक्टेड था मुझे, और इससे थोड़ा सा पुल बैक रिट्रेसमेंट होके फिर देन आई थॉट इट माइट कम डाउन, बट हुआ क्या कि आज प्राइस नीचे ही ओपन हो गया यहाँ पे दिस लेवल. And the moment I saw a 3 minute candle. So let me show you how a 3 minute candle was formed. So this is a 3 minute candle. This is a live chart. Actually, the price is ongoing. So जब ये 3 minute candle फॉर्म हुआ यहाँ पे, ये वाला कैंडल अगर आप देखेंगे, although it's a rejection candle, but I had drawn this particular support level already. ये एक रिजेक्शन कैंडल था, तो मैंने 9:17 के आसपास कॉल में प्रॉफिट बुक किया था. तो यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि जब ये रिजेक्शन कैंडल यहाँ पे हुआ, जैसे इसने रिट्रेस किया, तो मैंने इसी कैंडल पे ही, पहली कैंडल पे ही प्रॉफिट बुक कर लिया, बिकॉज इट वाज शोइंग अ रिजेक्शन हियर. आई डिडंट वांट टू टेक रिस्क फर्दर, बिकॉज ऑप्शंस बाइंग में प्रॉफिट अगर आपको अच्छा मिल रहा है तो यू शुड बुक इट एट फर्स्ट. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ वेटिंग टू price either to move out of this you know this first candle high and then book the profit, or let the price to come down and then break this low and then book the profit. But that was not a wise decision considering आज expiry था. So I just booked the profit at this particular candle only once I short this rejection, despite uh, of the fact that there was a rejection. मैं और भी मैं in addition to that, I was also sure that the price might go up today. Why? Because there is expiry and so much of gap down. The calls are already, sorry, I took put, sorry, I'm sorry, I'm extremely sorry, I took put, not call. 35,300 put I had taken. तो जब पहले से ऑलरेडी इतना मार्केट डाउन है और उसके बाद एक्सपायरी है, तो कॉल और पुट का प्रीमियम ऑलमोस्ट बैलेंस्ड हो जाता है थर्सडे के दिन. सो पीपल ट्राई टू कीप द प्राइस इन अ पर्टिकुलर यू नो आई वुड से जोन. इतने गैप डाउन के बाद प्राइस का ऊपर जाना एक थोड़ा सा एंटिसिपेटेड था. सो दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजन आई बुक प्रॉफिट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर 35,300 पुट. सो ये स्ट्रेटजी था मेरा, और मैं आपको इसमें और एक 15 मिनट के चार्ट में ये दिखा देता हूँ. सो एक 1 2 3 and 4 टाइम रिजेक्शन, एंड व्हेन आई सी दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया इज शोइंग रिजेक्शन, कंसोलिडेशन कम रिजेक्शन, मैंने यहाँ पे एंट्री लिया और उसके बाद कैरी किया पुट को ओवरनाइट और यहाँ प्रॉफिट बुक किया. सो एज यू कैन सी it was approximately 12,000 profit. So I'll be showing you a lot of candlestick patterns, how they behave. Even a 1 or 2 minute candle can be a decision making candle while taking option trade especially. So all these things I'll be going to teaching you in coming sessions, and I hope you will find a type of content which is nowhere available on YouTube or in any textbook, because it's all learned experience, first hand experience which I gained over the last few years. So I hope you will enjoy this particular channel, and you will appreciate the videos, or uh, you know सब्सक्राइब नहीं भी करोगे तो मैं वीडियो बनाता ही रहूंगा आपके लिए. सो डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट that this is a price action channel, I would urge you to be very intuitive and keep asking question in the comment section. If you like the video, if you have specific arguments against or in favor of it, it's most welcome. See you guys next time soon. Thanks a lot.